Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel again. What is new? I bought another project car. It's a pretty cheap, $900. I found a car in Ohio. I tow it to my place, pay additional $500 to bring the car to me. Non-running, and when I look the car, I probably sit at least 10 years. The car is she needs a full paint job. The seats are good. Let me show you the car. It is a Eurospec 500 SEC. Rear bumper US spec, and on this headlight US spec. Probably small accident around here. This is a Eurospec stoplight. The fuel pump was missing when I began working on the car. I installed a new fuel pump, but the pump was not running, so I found the fuel pump relay on a 86 and later. The fuel relay is right here. On a before 86, fuel relays inside the fuse box. What is interesting on this car, it's a Eurospec. It's 1984, and a car built and sold in Germany, and somehow about the year of 2000 brought the car to Miami. Then the Miami guy sold the car to the Ohio guy, so I bought it from Ohio. Eurospec car. Someone removed the European headlights and installed those, but as you know, I have a European headlights right here, and I will install soon those two in very good condition right for this car. Oh yeah, you know what is this? Should sit here. Yeah, and release. What I'm doing here? Lubricating. This is how I'm lubricating the hood release wire. This is what I'm doing right now. So I install new fuel pump, and then I put new fuel pump module, and then I start the car, and right now it's running. Transmission is good, engine is good. I need, of course, new belts. New belts. I will upgrade the brakes. 560. I'll upgrade to 560 brakes, brake discs, calipers, and brake pads, and also the brake lane. This will be on only on the front wheels. Then I will put new flex disc on a drive shaft because I have bad experience with my previous car, as you know. Here is what's the difference. This is a US style, and this is a Euro style. Finally, I have Euro spec headlights installed in my car. Here is the old ones. Turn signals. I did that today. I'm pretty happy. Cars look totally different, very nice. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and comment.